Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Movers. Charlton local and long-distance movers near me. Our in-depth familiarity with the geography of Charlton and our experience with local relocations makes 3 Movers one of the best local moving companies in Charlton. Both first-time and repeat movers, such as military personnel, will benefit from using 3 Movers. Our expertise guarantees that your belongings remain intact during the relocation process, and our acquaintance with the region plays an essential part in your selection, depending on the area of the city you choose to live in. Here are some ways that our Charlton local TM movers can make your relocation easy. 3 Movers offer quick and timely relocation of your items from the point of origin to the destination. 3 Movers' highly skilled staff uses modern equipment like rollers and dollies to speed up the relocation process and get you in your new home as soon as possible. 3 Movers provide transparent and thorough billing without any hidden fees. You'll be getting value for your money by securing our services. At 3 Movers, we also offer consultation services to help you budget accordingly for the move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Charlton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.